Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we were doing exponent and powers. So today again I'll solve few more examples of this chapter. So let's see the question. Number 1 is minus 3 upon 4 whole to the power 3 minus of 5 upon 2 whole to the power 3 under bracket into minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power 4. So we will start solving this question by solving the bracket first. Okay, so this is equals to, now see, this can be distributed as minus 3 raised to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3. Okay, minus 5 raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3 under bracket into, this can be written as minus 2 whole to the power 4 upon 3 whole to the power 4. Now here we can see we have minus 3, which is a negative base, but the power over here is odd number, so the result after multiplying it to itself will come to negative. So minus 3 will be multiplied to itself 3 times. Okay, upon 4 will be multiplied to itself 4 times, minus of minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 upon 2 into 2 into 2 under bracket into, this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, no, since we have minus 2 over here. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to, so 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3s are 27. Since the power is odd, so the result will be minus 27. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64, minus of, okay, let's give this bracket over here, minus 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here again the same case is there, so the result will be negative. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now here we can see there is a negative base 2, but the power is even 4. Okay, so the result here will be positive. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 upon 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Okay, so we will write this minus 27 upon 64 here. Now we are to multiply the two minus signs. I hope you know that minus into minus is equals to plus, minus into plus is equals to minus, plus into minus is minus 2, and plus into plus is plus. Okay, since we see there are minus and minus, so minus minus will be plus. So 125 upon 8 under bracket into 16 upon 81. Now here we have to add two fractions. Okay, so what we will do is we will take the LCM of these two numbers, 64 and 8. So the LCM is 8 8 the 64. So the LCM will be 64. We will write this 64 over here, and since 64 1 times is 64, so minus 27 into 1 is minus 27, plus 8 into 8 is 8 times 64, so 125 into 8 is 1000. Okay, into 16 upon 81. Now we have to subtract this, since minus 27 plus 1000 is nothing but 1000 minus 27. It's just that this number is written first. So this will come to 973 upon 64. We will remove the bracket into 16 upon 81. So 16 1s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this will be equals to 973 upon 81 into 4 is 324. So I hope this question is clear. So now let's see the next question, an easier one. 3 upon 2 whole to the power minus 1 divided by minus 2 upon 5 whole to the power minus 1. So I hope you remember that if we have a number in fraction and the power is given negative, okay, so this is nothing but 3 upon 2 whole to the power minus 1 is nothing but 1 upon 3 upon 2. This will be 2 upon 3. So if we have a number with a negative power, but the number is in fraction, so what we will do, we will just change the position of the numerator and the denominator. So this 2 will go up and 3 will come down. So 2 upon 3, and we will then give the power in positive. Okay, divided by this, again we can see over here we have a number in fraction and the exponent is negative, so this will be written as 5 upon minus 2 whole to the power 1. This 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon minus 2. Now since we have a division sign over here, to remove that we will write multiply sign over here, and we will then again reciprocate the two numbers. So this 2 will go up and 5 will come down. Okay, minus 2 upon 5. Now here we simply have to multiply these numbers. So 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 upon 5 into 3 is 15. So the answer is minus 4 upon 15. So I hope it is clear until now. If you have any problem regarding what we did today, you can write it in the comment section. I will explain it to you again. Please like my video and share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.